Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will say that I have a lot of very close Egyptian friends, and they have also sighed when they found out that I was going to this episode. They said the Egyptians commonly at large does very much believe that the lawyer family did not like the adding an Egyptian name, which is not hard to believe, not hard to believe at all. I agree with that based on facts, not saying hi they for sure killed her, but the motivations are certainly there. Yeah, because if she marries him, now they have to bring him to, I guess, the house, the big house, and that I guess a no go. Well, someone from the lawyer family. How did that go? We could look into that, okay? I could have my team look into that. Uh, I did love the details on that. Another theory surrounding the princess death is that her medical care was internationally supported. Is that her medical skills were international supported. This theory took short after reports emerged before being transported to a hospital. Had she been taken to a hospital before treatment began? This theory appeared rooted in difference between UK and French emergency protocols to a hospital